Ladies and gentlemen, this is Miss Grand International 2025. This is Nel 2204, your pageant blogger host. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers. Today, ibibida natin ang top 10 highest ranking for Miss Grand International Philippines 2025. And now, get ready because we will begin our Miss Grand Top 10 highest ranking. Let's begin with our top 10. We have Bulacan with 1,600 reactions. Number 9, Rizal Province with 1,800 reactions. Number 8, we have Aklan with 1,900 reactions. At number 7, Canada with 1,900 reactions. Number 6, Quezon City with 2,400 reactions. Number 5, Laguna with 2,600 reactions. Number 4, we have Bicolandia with 5,300 reactions. Number 3, Davao Region with 6,500 reactions. Number 2, Zambales with 13,000 reactions. And number 1, Pampanga, Emma Tiglao with 25,000 reactions. That wraps up our top 10 most reacted headshots for Miss Grand International Philippines 2025 as of July 23. Sino ang bet mo sa listahan? Drop your top 5 sa comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell para updated ka sa lahat ng ganap sa pageant world. Salamat, and this is Nel 2204. Magkita tayong muli sa susunod na update.